Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pichu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across. Then on both sides, let's leave a gap and let's draw another oval-shaped curve underneath. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two large ovals. And now inside each eye, let's draw a circle at the top. Next, let's hop into the middle and let's draw a small line across for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw an oval on both cheeks, like this. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the ears. Let's start on top of the head and let's draw a line up on both sides. Now let's hop down and let's draw another angle out on both sides. Now to close off each ear, let's draw two angles up coming to a point. Next, let's hop inside each ear and let's draw a V shape on an angle. And then bring it back down on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. Then leave a gap and draw a curve across in the middle. Now inside at the top, let's draw a V shape in the center, and then longer ones on both sides. Next, let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw an angle down from the head, a V shape point up, and then a small line out. And then from the end, let's curve it back into the body. Now let's move over on the right side and let's draw the other arm going in the opposite direction. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a curve down. Then from the bottom, let's bring it in, a V-shaped point down, and then curve it back in. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath both of the gaps, let's draw a curve out and curve it back in. And then add two curves inside each foot. Lastly, for the body, let's add the tail on the bottom right. Let's start with an angle up, and then angle it down. And now let's do the same thing underneath. And then close off the end of the tail. And that's it for Pichu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!